Are your favorite UGG boots dirty and stained? You feel embarrassed every time you think about wearing them in public or even leaving them by the door where others can see. No one should have to feel like they have to give up on their favorite boots just because they are afraid of ruining them or simply don't know how to clean them, especially when you could easily bring them back to life and feel like yourself again. Whether you've never cleaned boots or you've tried to clean them and it didn't turn out well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore them using the best products on the market so you can save money, time, and simply enjoy wearing your favorite boots again. Let's get to it. Hey Leather Honey community, you may not know me, but my name is Evan, leather expert and founder of leather restoration channel UGGs on YouTube, where I teach you how to love your leather. First things first, let's assess our boots to see what we need to do, because believe it or not, you may not actually need to get your boots wet if you don't have to. Sometimes it's a simple brush down or Suede eraser can do the trick. Leather Honey's new Suede and Nubuck care kit is the perfect way to clean and protect your delicate Suede and Nubuck items. From the makers of Amazon's #1 leather care with over 60,000 5-star reviews, this kit features non-toxic, all-natural products that are safe for your family and pets. Use my code UGGs for 20% off and free shipping at leatherhoney.com or shop directly on Amazon using my affiliate links in the description. Alright guys, so step 1, let's use the Suede eraser along with the brush to remove any surface, dust, dirt, or debris. This is key so that we don't grind in any dirt during the cleaning process. Gently using your eraser to rub your Suede allows friction to lift up the dirt from the fibers of your leather, making it super easy to clean. Top tip, always brush off debris from your Suede as you use your eraser to prevent that dirt grinding back into the Suede. Step number 2, cleaning your Suede leather. Specially formulated and dispensed as foam, this cleaner is gentle but works hard against tough stains. You'll want to test it in a hidden spot to prevent any unexpected results like dye transfer. Once it's safe, clean thoroughly throughout each panel and ensure that you gently scrub in a circular motion, getting dirt, grime, and oils out of each fiber of your Suede. Ensure that you're thoroughly but gently brushing your Suede, as you may end up with some areas that look cleaner than others. Also, don't be afraid to go back and clean the same area twice if needed. Now, a rookie mistake I learned early on was not using enough cleaner. Now, you don't want to drench your leather, but if you don't use enough cleaner, you risk making water spots or unsightly lines that will show up only after your Suede dries. One of the most important tips I can give you is to wipe off excess moisture from your Suede as you clean each panel of your leather. This is going to ensure that you prevent your leather from soaking, which can prevent mold and mildew growth and keep your Suede lasting for years to come. Next, you want to follow through with the rest of your boot as necessary. Note that you may feel tempted to clean just one area, but that often results in water spots, as I just said, because the isolated wet area will drag any dirt or debris as it dries and leave that water mark. So make sure you guys get your entire Suede wet, not soaking wet, but then wipe off the excess. I'll also note that wiping your Suede removes any dirt or debris that your cleaner has lifted from your Suede, so don't skip this part. If you guys have gotten value so far, let me know by hitting that like button. Also, consider subscribing if you want more leather tips like this in your feed. And if you want to get notified the next time I put out a video, click the bell icon. Once you're done cleaning, now it's time to clean your brush. Wipe off any excess moisture and dirt onto your cloth, as we'll be using this dry brush shortly. Alright guys, a huge part of your leather looking new is not actually cleaning it, it's maintaining the shape. Creasing and cracking can occur, especially in this area, if you don't properly fill out your leather with something like newspaper or, better yet, shoe trees. So for best practice and best results, simply fill out your leather after each wear. This is going to help maintain the look, reduce odors, and keep your boots' original shape. Now that you've got your leather filled out, ensure that you let your Suede dry at room temperature until fully dry. Trying to speed up this process by putting your boots next to a fireplace or heating it with a hairdryer can actually ruin your Suede if the temperature is too high, so be very careful. And as you guys can tell, this Suede looks amazing in comparison to what we started with, but there's something wrong. The Suede is matted and the fibers are not soft and smooth. And guys, this is completely normal because we haven't brushed the nap, or the Suede fibers that give it that soft and smooth feel that we all know and love. We want to grab our dry suede brush and now gently brush in all directions. This is going to loosen up any matted down fibers and give us that beautiful texture once again. And just like that, guys, the fibers are back to normal, just like it used to be, soft and smooth. But if your suede is still matted, you may need to repeat the cleaning process if you left any cleaner, dust, dirt, or debris, depending on your unique situation. Now, if that still doesn't work, I'd highly recommend trying the suede eraser again, as you can pinpoint any areas on your suede that need extra cleaning power. This eraser does wonders. Just ensure that you brush off any eraser shavings as you go so you're not grinding it back into the leather. Now you're probably asking yourself, well, can I just use a normal eraser? The answer? Not really. It's not that a normal eraser can't have some effectiveness, but the difference between a regular eraser and a suede eraser is what it's made out of. A regular soft rubber eraser is meant to remove graphite from paper, but a suede eraser is made with extra grit to act as a gentle sanding agent that effectively removes dirt from your suede fibers. So all in all, just stick with erasers made for suede. And as you guys can see the difference between brushing the suede fibers versus not. This is where many of you are at and you think your suede is ruined forever, but all you needed to do was this last step to rejuvenate your suede fibers. Now that we just spent all that time cleaning our suede, we should protect it, right? Of course you guys can skip this part, but doing so would leave your boots exposed to dirt, spills, and stains that could otherwise be prevented. For best results, spray from 6 inches, which is about this long, and make sure you do not saturate your suede. This is key for an even protective barrier. As directed, you'll want to test it in a hidden area before moving forward. Then, ensure that you thoroughly apply the spray on the entire boot and then let it dry for at least 24 hours. Repeat if necessary. For me personally, I always do about 2 coats for added protection. Suede is literally one of the trickiest types of leather to clean, and I know how nerve-wracking it can be to risk damaging something you've invested in. If this video helped ease that worry or taught you something useful, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button. It helps more people find this content. If you guys like to see more videos like this in your feed, consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon. Now let's take one last look. Here's before adding the protectant, and here's after. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to check out Leather Honey products, save yourself some money and use my code AVUMMIES at leatherhoney.com for 20% off and free shipping. And if you found this video helpful, you will love my guide on cleaning suede sneakers without any liquid. My waterless suede cleaning method is a game changer. Check it out now and I'll see you in the next one.